Next topic for today is types of research. First type of research is basic versus applied research. What is a basic research? Basic research is undertaken to increase knowledge. It means that basic research in which a researcher's main objective or aim is to increase the knowledge. It stimulates new thinking, no commercial value. So basic research is generally been done to know that uh, what is the reason, right? What is the reason of certain things? Example, in a marketing research, companies want to know why do customers choose one smartphone brand over another, right? So they will find the reason why a smartphone is being chosen. What is the reason for that? In finance related, we can take example of like how does an inflation affect people's saving habits. So we will be able to know, it will be able to increase our knowledge about a topic, whether marketing, finance, HR, or any field. We will be able to know the knowledge. We would be able to know the reason, causes for certain things. For human resource research, what factors increase employee motivation? So we will be able to know the reason. So it is not going to, we can say, solve the problem, but it will be able to identify what is the main reason for that. So basic research is generally being done to increase the theoretical knowledge in a particular topic, and even it is being done to increase the concept. Another research, uh, which is applied research. Applied research may be a practical applications. It is generally been done to solve the problems. So practical application of a knowledge is your applied research, and its commercial value is that it is been uh, able to find out the reason, right? So applied research, we can say practical application of knowledge. Applied research, which promotional offer 10% discount or buy one get one will increase the sales the most. So it will guide the company. It will tell the exact what to do, right? It will be able to solve the problem because you can use that particular strategy, and you can further use and you can solve the problem. For finance, applied research is how can a company reduce its inflation risk through better investment planning. Second type of research is descriptive versus analytical research. Descriptive research includes surveys and fact finding inquiries. It portrays the current present situation. Descriptive research, for example, a company surveys 1,000 customers to find out which social media platform they use most. So, descriptive research is generally used, which will include a survey, fact finding inquiries. Then it is basically related with the current or the present situations. So, descriptive research is generally used wider nowadays by researcher because it is used to know the problems through survey and research. We can easily find out a solution to a problem. Now, analytical research. Analytical research is used to examine and interpret data to identify causes, relationship, and patterns. Analytical research, the company analyzes whether social media usage influences customers' purchasing decisions. Now, descriptive research is equal to describes facts, matlab what? Descriptive research will tell you what, but analytical research will analyze reasons and relationship why and how, right? So, this is the main difference between descriptive versus analytical research. Third type of research is quantitative versus qualitative research. Quantitative research relies on the collection of quantitative data, that is in quantity or amount. Quantitative research. A company surveys 1,000 customers to measure customer satisfaction on a scale of 1 to 5. Quantitative research, on the other hand, analyzes the relationship between interest rate and stock prices using statistical method. So quantitative research is a game of numbers where quantity, amount, these are given more weightage, right? So quantity research is basically which is based on the quantity or the amount. So its main objective or aim is to do a research where it is based on the quantity or the amount, numerical numbers when it will be there. Qualitative research is, on the other hand, it is used to analyze or used to research on pictures, words, attributes. It is not interested in numbers, but it is interested in other characteristics, that is pictures, words, attributes, etc. Qualitative research, the company conducts interview to understand why customers are satisfied or dissatisfied. Qualitative research, interviewing the investors to understand how they make investment decisions. So qualitative research main focus is not on numbers. It main focus is on other characteristics, right?